Why does it feel like it takes so long and it's so much effort to get yourself promoted on YouTube today? Well, that's because there's too much competition. If you're just getting started with your YouTube channel for the very first time in 2020, I'm sure you've probably watched many videos and heard many people say that it's oversaturated, that you need to niche down and get a very specific target audience who keeps coming back to your videos, so in turn, you get more views. But there's still so much competition on YouTube. According to CNBC, about 500 hours of YouTube content is uploaded every single minute. That's insane. So you're uploading videos and competing with thousands and thousands of content creators every single time your video gets uploaded to YouTube. Looking back to when I last uploaded videos about 7-8 years ago, I'm so curious to know what the numbers were like then. Like how many hours of YouTube content was being uploaded every single minute? Surely it wasn't 500 an hour, because this is a lot. What does it take to be noticed on YouTube today? I've been researching a lot. Top rules that you need to follow when you're starting out with your YouTube channel so you can get views on your channel. How can you stand out from the thousands of other content creators who are uploading videos at the same time you are? For one, I've learned that you need to have a catchy thumbnail. You need to have a title that is catchy, lengthy, and uses keywords in search, if that makes sense. Keyword filled title. Thumbnails are the first thing that people are going to see when they're clicking onto your YouTube video. You know the saying, don't judge a book by its cover? It doesn't apply here. This is the internet. People are 110% judging a book by its cover here. So you need an eye-catching thumbnail. How do you do that? Thumbnails should have the same type of similarity around them. Every time someone clicks onto your video, there's some type of similarity between them. Same text, same font, same color scheme, same theme within your thumbnails. A color scheme, for example, could be, are all of your thumbnails in pastel? Are all of your thumbnails in black and white with a colorful text? Things like that. Think of those Instagram pages where you've seen, where you can click onto someone's page and you can scroll pictures for pages and pages and pages, and you're still seeing the same type of theme within that person's Instagram page. There's consistency in their page, there's consistency in their post, and the theme still stays the same. Your channel needs to be just as interesting and eye-catching as an Instagram page might be, so that it's appealing to the eye. So what about the title of the video? This is something I definitely struggle with myself still. Well, here's what we know for sure. Google is a search engine. YouTube is also a search engine. You're either searching for a specific topic on YouTube, or you're just stumbling across videos as they come on your recommended pages. Either way, videos stand out to you and they grab your attention. So think about what grabs your attention when you're looking through your recommended or suggested videos. Well, first we see the thumbnail. Check. We've already talked about that. So what's next? Well, then you're gonna read the title. Well, if we know that YouTube is a search engine, that means that our title needs to have keywords in it that people will be searching for so you can rank in your video to get more views. Number 2, increase your odds of getting noticed. How is YouTube supposed to help you and recommend your videos and fit you into the algorithm if you're not posting videos regularly? This is especially important when you're just starting out on YouTube. You need to be posting videos regularly. Ideally, this shouldn't be anything less than 1 video per week. You need to find something that fits into your schedule. I'm actually going to be posting a video soon about the notorious YouTube algorithm, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. Just because you're posting videos frequently, posting more than once a week, posting once a week, this doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to get picked up by the YouTube algorithm. You could be pumping out 3-4 videos a week, but if they are bad quality videos, if they are not your best work, it doesn't mean anything. And I don't mean bad quality videos in the sense of the type of picture of the video, like 1080p, 4K, something like that. I mean like bad production videos. The other thing too is that if you're pumping out all these videos and no one is clicking onto them because no one is interested to them, YouTube is gonna see that and see that people are just not interested in your video and therefore just continue not recommending them to a larger audience. You need to be putting your best foot forward for all of your videos. If you're not gonna do that, it's a waste of time for yourself, it's a waste of time for the viewers, and it's a waste of time in the algorithm, and you'll just get swallowed up and pushed out into the algorithm where no one will see you. Quality, not quantity, is always a good rule of thumb, actually for anything in life, so keep that in mind. Number 3, you're not sticking to an identifiable video format. That was a mouthful. People have attention spans of a chipmunk. You need to find a way to captivate your audience, preferably within the first 30 seconds of your video, and keep your audience entertained throughout. If you don't, people are gonna click out of your video and your videos are gonna disappear into the abyss of YouTube. Are you vlogging? Are you doing how-to/tutorial style videos? Are you teaching your audience something in a list format where they're gonna keep learning things at different points in your video? All of this matters. Again, in my future video about the YouTube algorithm, I'll discuss this more. So again, make sure you subscribe. Number 4, make content that you are passionate about. YouTuber burnout is real, and you need to find something that you're passionate about and that you're going to continue making videos about forever, or however long you decide to end up doing YouTube. So you don't wake up one day, maybe 5 years from now, a year from now, and you have this giant audience behind you and you're just saying,
I don't like the videos that I'm producing and sharing with people. It doesn't bring me joy.
And you're just gonna get burnt out. You're not gonna wanna do videos anymore. And then what was the point of all of this? Why would you try to build an audience around posting videos that you don't really care about? And the thing is with YouTube too, is that people know when you're being disingenuous. People know when you don't really care about the things that you're posting, when you don't really care about the work that you're putting into your videos and the production and the editing and just the whole process of it. People will always pick up when you've lost your passion, or if it was just never there to begin with and you're just being fake. So don't do that. This will stand out, and not in a good way. Being honest and genuine and having true excitement in something that you're filming is key to having a successful YouTube channel. How can you expect your YouTube viewers to be interested in what you're filming and creating and uploading if you're not passionate about it yourself at all? Number 5, don't focus on the analytics. Okay, Linda Lee, I can admit, this kind of goes against everything that you're explaining. But here's what I mean. It can be very easy and very tempting to just want to log in and go check your analytics every single day, 5 million times a day. I've been there, and you'll drive yourself absolutely insane trying to keep up with it. You might check your YouTube video 5, 6, 10 times in a day just to see that your numbers either haven't increased or they're increasing by a very, very small amount. Either way, you're just gonna drive yourself nuts if you just keep looking into it. So don't focus too much on the analytics. Don't panic. With time and consistency, the views will come. But sitting there stressing about your analytics, for one, can be very overwhelming and discouraging because you might not be seeing the numbers that you want to see. So don't drive yourself crazy looking into analytics. These are not the analytics that you want to be looking to. There actually are a set of analytics that are beneficial to helping you learn and grow your YouTube channel, but looking at how many views that you're getting, it's not helping you. And that's okay. There are highs and lows to every single YouTuber's channel. I promise, you are not being singled out. The universe is not against you. The YouTube gods are not ganging up on you. And that is all for today's video, guys. Very short, very simple, to the point. I hope you guys learned something. Let me know if you learned something new in the comments. Remember, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, just after Google, which YouTube is actually owned by Google. Surprise! So you need to go do more research on how to get noticed on YouTube, how to get views on YouTube. Follow the tips. You're gonna have to ebb and flow with everything that comes. Not every bit of advice is going to work specifically for you, and that's the beauty of YouTube. You learn as you grow. And that's actually what this channel is all about. I am learning as I go, and I'm going to teach you guys and take you along for the ride.